Okay, today's project, I am gonna try and clean up these old fork tubes. You can see they're just pitted and gross. She's 28 years old, so those have probably never been polished or anything. So, take this off. Take this guy off. Do a little taping. Probably clean these freaking wheels too. I got some bleach white for them. I don't know. See how it turns out. Alright. Clean the white walls up. I didn't film any of that. Get some bleach white and some elbow grease. That right there is just doo-doo dripping off the caliper. Anyway, putting some tape up here. I've seen other people do it with no tape, and there ain't no way I'm trying to mess up this fucking 28-year-old original paint. This paint being a motherfucker to match too. It has violet pearl with red shade. You see the red on the bottom down there. Anyway, about to get started. Lone Star Light in the cup. Ready to go. Stay tuned. This is after buffing for like 30 seconds. I'm using Meguiar's All Motorcycle Polish. I have a can of Mother's aluminum polish somewhere that I wanted to use, but I can't find the fucking thing, so I'm using this instead. So from this to this, and I'm at about an hour. I'm kind of taking my time, having some beers, relaxing. May even wait till tomorrow to do the other side. I think I'm gonna hit this with some more polish on my. Got my freaking. I might hit it a little bit more. I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. But you can see it's definitely better than it was.